Hello students, let's do algebraic expressions exercise 11b. Page number 140. Question 1, evaluate. So here we have minus 7x squared plus 18x squared plus 3x squared minus 5x squared. As you can see, the literals are all the same. X squared we have, that means they're all like terms. Now to evaluate this, you can straight away do it like this, or we can group the minus signs first and then the plus signs and do it. So let's do it that way. So let's start by taking first minus 7x squared. Then take the next one, that is minus 5x squared. So I've grouped the minus signs together. Then continue with the plus signs, 18x squared plus 3x squared. So here we're going to work this out. I'll just do one or two sums here so it becomes easier for you. Minus 7x squared minus 5x squared. So what we do is we take only the numbers minus 7 minus 5 and we have the literal outside, that is x squared. Now look at this. Minus 7 minus 5 signs are the same. So we put the same sign and we add 7 plus 5 is 12. So we get minus 12 and we write x squared. So here we have minus 12x square. Let's go to the next one. We have plus 18x square plus 3x square. So here also let's take only the numbers plus 18 plus 3. These are the numerical coefficients and let's put x square outside. Now here look at the signs. The signs are the same, plus and plus. So 18 plus 3 is 21 and we write the x squared there. So here what do we have? Plus 21x square. So now here we have minus 12x square plus 21x square. So let me just write it down here. So here we have minus 12x square plus 21x square. Take only the numbers minus 12 plus 21 and put the x square outside. Now look at the signs. One is minus, one is plus. When signs are different, we put the sign of the bigger number and we subtract 21 minus 12. That is 9. So we write 9x square. So here we've got our answer plus 9x square. So this is our final answer. So this is one way you can do it. You can group the minus signs together and the plus signs together and work it out. That makes it easier. Next, question 2. The first thing you need to do is check whether they're all like terms. As you can see, here we have b square y, b square y, b square y, and again b square y. So they're all like terms, so you can add or subtract like terms. So let's group all the plus signs. Now the first term doesn't have a sign, it's understood it is plus. So let's take that, so that is plus b square y. The next one is this, plus 2b square y. Now let's take the minus signs, minus 9b square y and minus 5b square y. So we've got the plus signs together here. So let's work out this. Now here there's nothing here. It's understood it is 1. So let's simply put 1 there to make our work easier, to understand it better. So now add up the numerical coefficients. That means only the numbers. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So that is 3b square y. Now let's go on to the minus signs here. So when signs are the same, we put the same sign. Okay, so put the minus sign and we add the numerical coefficients, that is the numbers. 9 plus 5 is 14. So that is 14b square y. So now again we have plus 3b square y and minus 14b square y. As you can see, the signs are different. So when signs are different, we always put the sign of the bigger number and we subtract. So here what should we subtract? 14 minus 3. 14 minus 3 is 11. 11 and write the literals, that is b square y. So what is the final answer? Minus 11 b square y. Question 3. So here also we have like terms, so we can add and subtract. Let's group all the plus signs and the minus signs. So the first one doesn't have a sign, it's understood it is plus. So here we have plus a bx. Then here we have plus 32, plus 32 a bx. Now let's take the minus signs, minus 15 a bx and minus 10 a bx. So here the first one doesn't have a number. It's understood it is 1. So now let's add up the numbers. So what are the numbers? 1 and 32. So 1 plus 32 is 33. So that is 33 A, B, X, and that's a plus sign. It's understood. Now let's go to the minus signs here. So both the signs are minus. When signs are the same, we put the same sign and we add up. So what are the numbers we are adding? 15 and 10. 15 plus 10 is 25 and we write A, B, X. So now here we have one plus sign and one minus sign. And look at the numbers 33 and 25. Which is the bigger number? 33. So when signs are different, put the sign of the bigger number. That means the answer will have a plus sign and then you subtract the two. You must subtract 33 minus 25. That is 8, isn't it? So 8 ABX. So our final answer is plus 8ABX, or you don't even have to put the plus sign. It's understood. 8ABX is our final answer. 7x minus 9y plus 3 minus 3x minus 5y plus 8. So we have different terms here, some unlike terms here. So let's group the like terms together. That is, we'll begin with 7x. Let's look at another term which has x, that is 3x. So let's group 7x minus 3x. We'll put them together. Now let's put the y's together. So here we have minus 9y and here we have minus 5y. Now let's take only the numbers, the constants, plus 3 and here we have plus 8. Now let's work on the like terms. We can only add or subtract like terms. So 7x minus 3x, this is the plus sign. Signs are different, so put the sign of the bigger number and subtract 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is 4, so that makes it 4x. Now let's go to the next one, the y's. Minus 9y minus 5y. When signs are the same, can you see signs are the same? When signs are the same, we put the same sign. That is, we write minus and we add up these two numbers, 9 plus 5, that is 14. And we write y. Now let's go only to the numbers that are there, plus 3 and plus 8. So plus 3 plus 8, signs are the same. So 3 plus 8. So signs are the same. Put the same sign and add. That makes it 11. So this is our final answer, 4x minus 14y plus 11. Question 5, again look out for the like terms. Let's put all the like terms together. Here we have 3x squared, so let's write that. Look out for another x squared and you will find it here. So that is plus x squared. Then take xy, 5xy. See if there are any more xy's. There is one more here, minus 8xy. Then look at the y squares, minus 4y square minus 5y square. Now let's begin by working on the like terms. So this is 3x square plus 1x square. So that is 3 plus 1 makes it 4x square. Let's take the y's. So here we have the y's here. Look at the signs. One is plus, one is minus. When signs are different, put the sign of the bigger number and subtract 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is 3xy. Let's go to the last one. This is minus 4y square minus 5y square. So look at the signs. Signs are the same. So we put the same sign and we add up both these numbers. We have to add up the numbers. 4 plus 5 is 9 and we write y square. So we have a final answer, 4x square minus 3xy minus 9y square. Question 2, add. So here we have binomials. Okay, now we have 5a plus 3b, one set, a minus 2b, and then 3a plus 5b. Now there are two ways of doing it. One is arranging them column wise, and then another method is by arranging them row wise. Now for the first sum alone, I will do both the methods and show you. So here we have 5a plus 3b. This is the first expression here, 5a plus 3b. Now I have a minus 2b, which I'm going to write below the first set here, below 5a plus 3b. I have to arrange them in such a way that the like terms come together. That means I have to put a here, a minus, so this is a minus 2b. Now let's take the next one. This is 3a. So this becomes 3a plus 5b. So what I have to do is when I arrange them in columns, I have to see that all the like terms come together. All the a's come together, all the b's come together. Now we learned how to work out this, isn't it? So this is 5a plus 1a. So here there's nothing, no number, it's understood it is 1a plus 3a. So how do we do that? 5a plus 1a plus 3a. What we have to do is write only the numbers 5 plus 1 plus 3a. So 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, so that becomes 9a. So here I write 9a. Now let's take the next one. Next one is plus 3b minus 2b plus 5b. So here also let's write only the numbers plus 3 minus 2 plus 5 and b. So we learned the previous question to put the plus signs together, minus signs together to make it easy. So we are adding up the numbers with a plus sign. So plus 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 minus 2b. So 8 minus 2 is 6. So this becomes 6b. So the sign is plus. So here it is plus 6b. So the answer is 9a plus 6b. So this is how we do the column method. Now I will show you how to do the row method. So in the row method, we put all the expressions in a single row. So we have 5a plus 3b plus a minus 2b plus 3a plus 5b. So we put it in a row like this and then we group all the like terms together. So let's take all the a's. So we have 5a. So here we have 5a and then we have another plus a and plus 3a. So let's write all the a's together. So plus a plus 3a. Now let's take all the b's together. We have 3b minus 2b plus 5b. So let's write that plus 3b minus 2b plus 5b. So, and we work out just like we did for the other one. So here, how do we work it out? Take only the numbers 5 plus a is by itself. It's understood it's 1. 5 plus 1 plus 3a plus here it will be 3 minus 2 plus 5b. So here let's work this out. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. So that becomes 9a. And let's go to the next one. So here this is a plus sign. So do work it out with the plus signs first. 3 plus 5 is 8 and then minus 2. 8 minus 2 is 6 and then write b. So we've got our answer here 9a plus 6b. As you can see, both the answers are the same. This is the column method and this is the row method. Row method is what we generally use. So we're going to continue with the row method for all the other sums. Question 2. So let's arrange these polynomials row wise. Let's take the first set here. So that will be 8x minus 3y plus 7z. Now here we have another set. Now it's starting with a minus sign. So let's put it in brackets. We are adding, that's why I put a plus sign to show addition. Now minus 4x plus 5y minus 4z. Again, we're going to add the next polynomial, so that is minus x minus y minus 2z. Now let's open all brackets. When you remove the brackets, there's a particular rule to follow. Let's do it carefully. Here we can write as it is. Now here we're going to remove the brackets. So before you do that, look at the sign in front of it. If it's a plus sign, all these will remain the same. No change. So let's write minus 4x plus 5y minus 4z. Now look at the other brackets here also before we remove. Look at the sign. It's a plus sign, so no change for any of these. So it becomes minus x minus y minus 2z. Now what we have to do is we'll group all the like terms together. Let's take the x, 8x. Then we have minus 4x and we have minus x. So let's write that 8x minus 4x minus 1x. Then let's take the y's. So we have minus 3y plus 5y minus y. These are the y's here. So let's write that down. So we have minus 3y plus 5y and minus 1y. Then we also have z. So let's look at that. Here we have plus 7z. Then we have minus 4z and minus 2z. So let's write that. Plus 7z minus 4z minus 2z. Okay, so now we're going to work out these like terms. So how do we do that? 8x minus 4x minus 1x, that is, take only the numbers 8 minus 4 minus 1x. You can do this directly, or you can take the signs together and do it that way also. So here, let's take the signs together like how we've been doing so far. So we'll leave 8 as it is. Now here, these two numbers have the same sign, minus 4, minus 1. When signs are the same, we put the same sign and we add. 4 plus 1 is 5. So that is 8 minus 5x. Now how much is 8 minus 5? 3. So that this becomes 3x. So here we have 3x. Now let's take the y's. So here we have minus 3y plus 5y minus 1y. So here let's take only the numbers. So that will be minus 3 plus 5 minus 1y. Okay, so here also let's take the numbers with the minus sign. There are two numbers with the minus sign. Plus sign, there's only one number. So when signs are the same, we put the same sign and we add 3 plus 1, it becomes 4. And write this 4 plus 5y. Here signs are different. So we put the sign of the bigger number, which is plus, and we subtract. 5 minus 4 is 1, so that is 1y. So this will become plus y, or simply plus 1y. Okay, any way you can write. Next is this. So let's take down only the numbers 7 minus 4 minus 2z. So here also let's take the numbers with the same sign. 7 will remain as it is. When signs are the same, put the same sign and add 4 plus 2, 6, and then z. Now here 7 minus 6 is 1, 1z. So that is plus 1z plus 1z, or you don't even have to write 1. You can straight away write z. So what is your final answer? 3x plus y plus z. Question 3. Let's arrange them row-wise now. So let's begin by writing 3b minus 7c plus 10. Next is 5c minus 2b. So it's not starting with a minus sign. So we can straight away write it without brackets. 5c minus 2b minus 15. Similarly, for the last one, we can write plus 15 plus 12c plus b. So now let's arrange the like terms together. Here we have 3b, then here we have minus 2b, and then again we have plus b. Remember, they're all arranged in different orders, but look out for the like terms. So this will be 3b minus 2b plus 1b. Now let's look at the c's. So here we have minus 7c, here we have plus 5c, then what else? Then we have plus 12c. So let's write down those now. So that's minus 7c plus 5c and plus 12c. Now we have numbers by themselves. So plus 10 minus 15 plus 15. Now here itself you can do something. Minus 15 plus 15, that is 15 minus 15 is 0. So this will get cancelled. You can straight away write only this. Or in case you get confused, we'll write it first. Plus 10, then minus 15 plus 15. Okay, so we'll work that out. Now here let's work out these. So we have 3b minus 2b plus 1b. Let's write only the numbers 3 minus 2 plus 1b. Now here let's add up the numbers with the same sign, that is 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 minus 2b, and 4 minus 2 is 2. So this is 2b. So here we have 2b. Now we are taking the c's here. So here let's write down only the numbers minus 7 plus 5 plus 12c. So here let's take the numbers with the same sign, and when signs are the same we add it up, isn't it? So here minus 7 remains the same. Here these two numbers plus 12 plus 5 is 17 and 17c. Now here signs are different. One is minus, one is plus. Put the sign of the bigger number plus and subtract. 17 minus 7 is 10. So that is plus 10c. Let's write that. Plus 10c. Now let's look at the numbers here. So here we have these numbers minus 15 plus 15, which is 0. So what is left is plus 10. So what is our final answer? 2b plus 10c plus 10. So that is our answer. We'll go on to the fourth one. So again, write down the first one. So that is a minus 3b plus c. Take the second polynomial plus 2a plus 5 minus 3c. Third polynomial plus 6c minus 15 plus 6b. Okay, so let's begin by writing all the like terms. We have a plus 2a. That's it. We don't have any more, isn't it? So let's write the a's together. So we have 1a plus 2a. So a's are over. Let's go on to the b's. So here we have minus 3b. Then we have plus 6b. That also we have only 2. So minus 3b plus 6b. So we finished with the b's. Now let's go on to what is there? C. We have c left. So c is minus 3c plus 6c. So minus 3c plus 6c. Now that is also over. Now we have the numbers 3 plus 5 minus 15. So let's write that. Plus 3 plus 5 minus 15. So I hope you have covered everything. Now let's work out what we have. So here we have 1a plus 2a. Let's work that out. 1a plus 2a. Add up the numbers. So when you simply add the numbers, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3a. Now let's go to the b's. So here we have minus 3b plus 6b. Look at the numbers minus 3 plus 6b. Signs are different. So put the sign of the bigger number and subtract 6 minus 3. That will be 3b. So that is plus 3b. Now let's go to the c's. Minus 3c plus 6c. Take only the numbers minus 3 plus 6, just like the other one. So this becomes plus 3c plus 3c. Now let's take all the numbers here. So what do we have? 3 plus 5 minus 15. Now add up the numbers with the same sign. So add up these two. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 minus 15. Now put the sign of the bigger number and subtract. 15 minus 8 is 7. So we have minus 7. So what is our final answer? 3a plus 3b plus 3c minus 7. So let's arrange these polynomials now. Let's begin. So here we have 13ab minus 9cd minus xy, then plus xy, 5xy plus 15cd minus 7ab plus 6xy minus 3cd. Let's put all the like terms together. So here we have 13ab. Look out for ab again. Here we have minus 7ab. That's it. So we have 13ab and minus 7ab. Now you can even do it slowly. Take each group separately, work it out, get your final part, and then go to the next one if that is also helping you. So here let me work this out. 13ab minus 7ab. Let me take only the numbers 13 minus 7ab. Okay, now 13 minus 7 is 6, so we have 6ab. So we finished with that. So ab is over 6ab. We are doing this so that there's no confusion when you have many terms. So ab is over. Now let's go on to cd. Minus 9cd plus 15cd and minus 3cd. So let's write that down. Minus 9 plus 15 and minus 3. So these are all CD. So let's write that down. Only the numbers minus 9 plus 15 minus 3. We are looking at only this. and all this is CD. So here also, look at the numbers with the same sign, -9, -3. Signs are the same, put the same sign and add. 9 plus 3 is 12. And we have 15, CD. Now signs are different. Put the sign of the bigger number and subtract. 15 minus 12 is 3, 3CD. So plus 3CD. Now you can do whichever is easier for you so that there's no confusion and you're able to do everything correctly. Especially when there are many terms, it's easier to break it up into smaller portions and do. Next we have xy. So we are taking minus xy plus 5xy and plus 6xy. So let's write that down. So that is minus xy plus 5xy plus 6xy. So now let's take the last part. So only the numbers from there, -1 plus 5 plus 6 xy. So now let me add up the numbers with the same sign, that is these two. So this will remain the same, -1. Then signs are the same, put the same sign and add. 5 plus 6 is 11 xy. Here signs are different, put the sign of the bigger number and subtract 11 minus 1, that is 10, 10xy. Let's write it here, plus 10xy. So this is the final answer, 6AB plus 3CD plus 10xy. Okay, so let's write down everything. X to the power of 3 minus x square y plus 5xy square plus y cube plus, now we have a minus sign here, so let's put that in brackets, minus x cube minus 9xy square plus y cubed. Then here we can continue, plus 3x square y plus 9xy square. Now let's group the like terms. We have an x cubed and let's open the brackets before that. X cubed minus x square y plus 5xy square plus y cubed. Now when you see a plus sign before a bracket, you can write all these terms as it is when you remove the bracket. So let's remove and write everything as it is. Minus x cubed minus 9xy square plus y cubed plus 3x square y plus 9xy square. Now let's group the like terms. We have an x cube here. Do we have any more x cube? Yes, we have a minus x cube. That's it. So let's write that x cube minus x cube. Now let's cancel that because we are done with it. And we are cancelling it so that we don't miss out anything when there are many terms like this. Now let's go to x square y. So x square y. Here we have an x square y. So let's write that. So minus x square y plus 3x square y. So we are done with that also. So let's let's strike it off. So let's strike this and this. Now let's go to 5xy square, this time xy square. So xy square, one more xy square. So let's write that. Then we have minus 9 xy square and plus 9 xy square. Now we are done with that also. So what is left? We have a y cubed here and one more y cubed here. So let's write that, plus y cubed plus y cubed. So let's begin by working on the like terms. So here we have x cubed minus x cubed. That means 1 minus 1. And how much is 1 minus 1? It's 0. So this gets cancelled. Now let's go on to the next one, that is x square y. We have these two, x square y, and this is 1 here. So what do we have? Let's take only the numbers, minus 1 plus 3 x square y. So signs are different. So put the sign of the bigger number and subtract these two. 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2x square y. So this is plus 2x square y. Now let's look at this xy square. We have 3 here. Okay, so we have 5xy square. So let's write down only the numbers. Plus 5 minus 9 plus 9 xy square. Now if you look at minus 9 and plus 9, 9 minus 9 is 0, so this gets cancelled. So what is left is only plus 5xy square. So plus 5xy square. Then at the end we have y cube plus y cube, 1 plus 1. So that makes it 2y to the power of 3. So this is our final answer, 2x square y plus 5xy square plus 2y cube. Find the total savings of a boy who saves this amount, this amount, this amount and this amount in 4 consecutive weeks. Consecutive means those that come one after the other. So this is how much he saved in 4 weeks. Now we have to find the total savings. So to find the total savings, what do? We just have to add it up. So we have to write a statement that says total savings of a boy in 4 consecutive weeks, and we're going to add up these amounts. That will be all this. Okay. So we have the 4 amounts here. We're going to add up these 4 amounts. So let's remove the brackets. So we start with the rupees. Now 4x minus 6x. Next polynomial is within brackets, but before the brackets we have a plus sign. So it remains the same, plus 6x plus 2y. Then here also we have plus 4y minus x. Then we have plus y minus 2x. Now let's put all the like terms together. Let's take all the x. We have 4x plus 6x. Then we have minus x and we have minus 2x. Let's put them together. So that will be 4x plus 6x minus 1x minus 2x. Now let's take all the y's together. So here we have minus 6y, then we have plus 2y, plus 4y and plus y. Let's write that down. So minus 6y plus 2y plus 4y and plus 1y. Now let's work out this. Let's take only the numbers 4 plus 6 minus 1 minus 2, all that in brackets, and x. So here we're going to take the numbers with the same sign. So here we have plus 4 plus 6. Signs are the same. Put the same sign and add. 4 plus 6 is 10. Here also same signs. So put the same sign and add. 1 plus 2 is 3. So that is 10 minus 3x. 10 minus 3 is 7. So that is 7x. So here we have 7x, and now let's take the y's. So here we have all this. Let's take only the numbers minus 6 plus 2 plus 4 plus 1 y. So here there's only 1 minus 6. So let's leave it as minus 6. Let's add up all these numbers because they have the plus sign. Okay, so 2 plus 4 6. 6 plus 1 is 7 y. Now here signs are different, so put the sign of the bigger number and subtract 7 minus 6, that's 1, 1y. So this is plus 1y or simply y. So here we have 7x plus y, but this is rupees, so let's write rupees and put this in brackets. This is the amount that the boy saved in 4 consecutive weeks. So what's your answer? Rupees 7x plus y. We will stop with this for now, children. In our next video, we will continue with the remaining questions. Thank you, children.